Hello. Today I talk the PLC very powerful tools, class reference. Class reference is very powerful tools. If you want to use the program, you have to use class reference. First, how to use class reference? You can, for example, here this running, here is not output. So you can find is an input here. Click here is a tag name. Right click, go to class reference. Here all show this tag where the location means that this program. Okay, you can click here. You can find it here. Okay, you come here. You can find this other place. So you can find where what's happen, what's the input or the output, something wrong. You can find. Then after that, you can go to site to check the device. Okay. So here, look, got 40 BZ. This tiger. I'll go to class reference. Here all the reference is he just appear in this the program is 1 2 3 4 5 is more than 10 area. So you can show only here is the container reference and showing is this program or the other place. Okay. Also, you can go to control tag. You know this. Go to class reference. Okay. Then click here. You can find location. Okay. This class reference. Very powerful tools. Okay. Go to here. Here is first is element is a container with location. Here just the main program. Here just one program. Our routine is with main routine. Okay. His location is in location. Run 11, run 12, everywhere. Yeah. After that, reference is get for content. Get for content. This is the tag name. Okay. Then one is the destructive. What's mean destructive? Sometimes it's Y, sometimes N. So we go to help, go to container, we can find exactly showing what's mean destructive. Destructive means this tiger instruction, execution of the instruction can change the tag value. Okay, so display only reference mark as destructive. Destructive if the execution of the instruction can change the data value of the tag is called reference destructive. Non-destructive means a reference is non-destructive means if the instruction only use or read the value and cannot modify it is called non-destructive. So that means if your is this instruction you can change the tag value, it's called destructive. If you can't change its value, you can't modify, just read the value, is called non-destructive. Okay, let me see here. is yes, this called destructive. We click here. Why it's called destructive? So this tag you can move this number is 7. Go to this tag. This called destructive. Is this one not destructive? Not destructive, just compare. If this tag equal 5, then go to here. This is called non-destructive. Okay. Same thing this one. Here, this is called destructive. Is output. This examine on, examine close, examine on. This called all the non-destructive. Okay. Output notches, output on notches called. Okay, so we can use this. Go to the first destructive reference. First destructive reference, that means the wrong right side. Okay, first here. Next destructive reference here. So that's me. Destructive is very important. We just figure out if you're not working, is output not working, we just should not destructive, whereas have trouble. Okay, that's a cross-reference the method. Okay, thank you very much.